Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video we are going to take a look at the SJRC S20R. Courtesy of Banggood, check out the description below for extra coupons or deals. If this drone looks familiar to you, you are right, because this is upgraded version of the SJRC S20W. S20R has up to 18 minutes of flight time compared to 8 minutes for S20W. And also it says 4K camera, but it is most likely 1080p camera that shoots 1080p video and upscaled 4K photo. But still it should be much better than S20W. Before we start with the review, let me just quickly introduce myself. If that's your first ever time on my channel, my name is David and this is the Everything. I'm all about drones, and if that's something that you like as well as I do, I would appreciate if you can hit that subscribe button. Without a further ado, let's do an unboxing of the SJRC S20R. SJRC S20R comes in a quite large box. Let's take a look at inside and see how it's all packaged. First, we have a tiny instruction book, which is very detailed. The bag of goodies. They do give us a full set of extra propellers. 4 extra screws, a Phillips screwdriver, and some additional parts. Very nice there. Micro USB to USB charger, additional landing legs. First item to look at is the drone, and it is very nice, somewhat standard looking drone. This is a brushed motor quadcopter with its 75-degree adjustable camera. The camera is wide angle and it records on microSD card. It has 4 bright LED lights on each corner, so it is very good for orientation or night flying. Right here in the back is a place for battery. When we talk about the battery is 7.4 volt, 1200 mAh. Next we will take a look at the controller. You can see that it is one of these controllers where the arms pop out, so you can hold it in your hands, just like that. Antennas are here and they fold out. On the rear of the controller there is a jog dial that will be for your gimbal up and down. Over here you can start and stop the video recording. On this side, this jog dial is for speed adjustments, and this one is for taking photos. Top right is your takeoff and land button. And on top left is your headless mode, which is also used to turn GPS off or on. If you're interested in how not to use this button, watch the video in upper right corner. Over here is your return to home button, and next to that is your power button. And for powering the controller, you are not gonna need batteries because it has a micro USB for charging the internal battery, which lasts 10 hours. Here we have a phone holder. Power on the controller by just pressing this button and the lights should come on. And to power off the controller, you just press and hold this button and the controller shuts off. And finally you get the charging system. Mine came with extra battery, so I have extra one in here. It also has attached USB cable, which is always good. And this is what it looks like when you plug in the power source. Now let's put another battery in. And you can see it does charge both batteries at the same time. And that ends my unboxing of the SJRC S20R. Now, let's see how it flies. And we are out. Luckily it is sunny, so we can hopefully capture some great footage. Alright, let's start up the drone by pressing this button. Take your phone, connect to drone Wi-Fi, and start the app. And click Controls. And you are in. One thing I noticed about this drone is how quiet it is. Listen. It is really quiet. Let's take it up by pressing auto takeoff button.